Meghalaya, Tripura, Amadi, Nagaland, the pangthokkadouriba mikhal gi mangoinana National People Party ki luchingba Conrad K Sangma na haikhre madude mikhal asida NPP na BJP yaona atoppa political party amattaga chatminnaroi wafama singarang NPP gi National Committee gi mifam ama New Delhi da pangthoklaba tungda Constitution of India Club New Delhi da pangthokpa pau gi mifam ama da phongdokhibane ngarang famkiba National Committee meeting aduda Manipur gi hanage Deputy Chief Minister Oiramlaba aduga NPP gina hauzik National Vice President Oiriba Yumnam Joy Kumar yauna National Committee gi member sing Oiriba State singi party asigi President singna saruk yakhe Hairiba mifam aduda state ahum asida pangthokkadouriba mikhal asigi damak kari karamba thabak paikhatkadagi haiba wa khanakhe paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna Conrad na hai BJP natraga atoppa party amattaga mikhal asida alliance tauroi Meghalaya da Trinamool Congress haizilakhibagi matangda mahakna hai makhoina changlakliba asi charangnaba thoknanaba khaktane masina NPP gi karishu thoidokpa safu pibangamloi hauzik mikhal asigi damak strategy kaya sagatnaba sem sari haikhe
and transitions and transformations take place all the time, so it's nothing new. And the relationship between BJP and the other political parties is something that I don't feel I should comment on because those are understandings between them. But as I said, from our point of view, we have maintained two simple principles. The first principle is that when we fight an election, we fight on our own because it's about the identity and the ideology of the party, which we tell the people about and we expect that people will vote for us. And the second ideology which we have maintained in the past is that we have normally worked with the NPP in all areas. And that has been the kind of principle that we have followed. And this has been something that even our leader, our founding leader, K Sangma,